So guys, I did moisturize my face. It was a bit dry. So I found, it's called the Super Bold Purple Makeup. And it's by Alyssa Ashley. I just love her. Like, she's so good. But I'm gonna do it. I'll put the link to her video in my comment section, and you guys should let me know if I did a good job. I really don't have like the purple that matches hers, but I will just like put in mine. And you guys should let me know if I did it or not. And by the way, I don't have a purple lipstick, so I'm just gonna make it work. I don't have it here with me right now. I'm gonna make it work, and you guys should rate me from a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being the lowest and 10 being the best. Let me know, please, and let's get straight to this video. Hi guys, here I'm just going to be adding the eyeshadow, and I'm just adding the eyeshadow. So I'm a bit scared of colors. I love colors. I don't know how to put it, but just adding colors terrifies me. Like way too much color, like in your face type of color. Right here I'm just adding the concealer, and that makes the color pop. So I added a bit of concealer here. So I'm just gonna go in with that color right there, and I'm just gonna dab. So yep. So right here I just added the color. I'm gonna do the same for the other side, so I'm just gonna speed it up, and yeah. Straight into it. I'm going to be using my eyeliner, and I did it off camera because I cannot do it for the life of me. And yeah, so I did it off camera. Moving on to my mascara. I'm using the YSL mascara right now, and this is just to make my lashes pop before adding the false lashes. So I'm gonna do this off camera as well because I can't do that for the life of me either. It's a whole mess. Totally a mess. So, and this is from Ava Lashes. Shout out to my girls doing their thing, having their own businesses, and watch this magic. Yay! Lashes on or whatever. So guys, right here I will be covering up underneath my eye. I feel like underneath my eye is a bit dark and I have a little bit of bags underneath there. It's not that bad, but I just want to cover it up with like the red concealer, the color corrector. Just gonna go underneath my eyes, around my lips, because I feel like it's dark around my lips, so I'm just gonna add the concealer. So after correcting everything like around my lips and underneath my eye, I'm just gonna drink water right now. Yeah, very essential. So I'll just go ahead and blend that in. Blend, blend, blend. Then add my foundation. After my foundation, then we move on to the concealer again. So, yeah, it's all worth it. Why do I look so white? But we're just gonna blend it in with my Lancome foundation and give me some color, my real color. Okay, we're gonna do that and just blend that in and blend that in and blend that in. And yeah, that's all I'm doing here, just blending. It takes a lot of patience and I do not have that in this video. I just wanted to film content, to be honest. So yeah. Now I'm just going in again and putting in some concealer underneath my eye to make it pop before I put my setting powder. So I'm just going to blend that in as well and blend it in. Hi guys, so right here I'm supposed to be baking, but I lost the footage. I'm so sorry. So we're just going to jump into the end look. Enjoy. So right here, I'm just putting on my lipstick. I should have put on the lip liner first before going in with the lipstick. So I kind of did that in reverse. Sorry guys. And that is it. This looks nothing like Alyssa's makeup. So this is the finished look. This doesn't look close to what Lisa Ashley did. I would say this video was a fail, but I'm still gonna post it because it's content. So, and I think I did something here. The lips are banging. This lipstick is Michael Kors. Let me see, show you. I really love, I hope you guys can see it. Okay, I really love this lipstick because it's not like the regular fuchsia pink. This one is in a fuchsia 2670. I really love it. I will put all what I used. I'll put it in my description box. You guys, it's pretty much affordable, all what I used. So, and I used this palette to achieve my eyeshadow look. And Profusion, it's okay. I think when it comes to like eyeshadow, you need to pick up something that's quality. I don't know, maybe because I love colors, but when it comes to eyeshadow, I kind of like, you know, take my time and try not to use too much just because I'm scared. Like, what the fuck? Like, if I use way too much color, I'm gonna be looking like a fucking weirdo. So this is what the finished look looks like, and I will pull my hair down, put on some earrings, and give you a little bit of slow-mo. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so disappointed that this did not look. Yeah guys, I pretty much use Laura Mercier for my setting powder right here. I'll put everything down there, and I use Bareminerals too, so for like the powder for the face to like blend everything in. So I'll put everything in the description box. So guys, this is the finished look, and Lord have mercy, like it looks nothing like Alyssa. So I'm giving myself a 2. I looked in the big mirror and I'm like, uh-oh, girl, you did not do anything. You just wasted about 2 hours of your time. But oh well, guys, so this is the finished look. I'm just gonna drink water. Gotta drink that water. But I think it's pretty flawless, pretty nice. I'm gonna have to do this again. So excuse the noise in the background, but I just wanted to say something and put in my 2 cents. So yeah, I give this a 2.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first.
Y'all look at what I tried to recreate. That's the slow-mo. And guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate you. New videos coming soon, and it's gonna be fun on my channel. So yeah, bye guys.